Hi, I'm Justin Coffey, and I'm the Microsoft Practice Director here at Red Level. On this week's 5-Minute Friday, we're going to be talking about Microsoft's upcoming end of support for SQL Server 2008, 2008 R2, Windows Server 2008 and 2008 R2, Exchange 2010, and Windows 7. So a lot of our customers are starting to ask us, what does really end of support mean, and what does it really mean for their business? And the real answer there is understanding what the product lifecycle of Microsoft products is. All Microsoft products have a 10-year lifecycle where the first 5 is called mainstream support, and that's where you're going to get things like new features, security updates, and non-security updates. After the first 5 years, we enter the second 5 years, and at that point, we're going to receive security updates and non-security updates, but at that point, there's no additional product feature functionality added to the product. So why this is so important is that for a lot of companies out there, security updates mean that there could be future exploits that open their systems up for risk and ultimately their business to a cyber attack. So the dates that you really need to keep in mind for this, there's 2 dates that we need to really focus on. The first one is July 9th, 2019, and that's when SQL Server 2008 and SQL Server 2008 R2 is going to reach end of support. The second date that you need to keep in mind is January 14th, 2020, and that's when Windows Server 2008, Windows Server 2008 R2, Windows 7, and Exchange Server 2010 will reach end of support. So a lot of our customers are also asking us, why does it matter? Outside of the obvious security concerns, there's a lot of customers that we work with that have compliance concerns. And as you kind of could expect, to meet the compliance requirements, you have to make sure that your security is completely up to date and you're not going to have those kind of vulnerabilities, in addition to other privacy and compliance and regulatory concerns. The third topic that we really focus on is innovation. Considering that these products were launched in or around 2010 or 2008 to 2010 and a little bit after that, these were really pre-cloud products. So now with the intelligent cloud and the intelligent edge, it's really important to be using systems and technologies that embrace the cloud and all of its capabilities, something that those older versions just weren't initially designed for, and that functionality was never really intended for because it didn't exist. So what can you do to make sure that you're ready? I've created a webinar that really goes into all of these details at length and really spells out what you should be focused on, what next steps you can take, and where Red Level can help. For more information and to register, go to bit.ly/Windows End of Support. Once again, that's bit.ly/Windows End of Support. Thanks, guys. Have a great Friday.